In this video, I will guide you on how to delete Facebook page. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Now tap on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. From here, you want to find the option of pages, select that. Now go ahead and open the page that you want to delete. Now, you want to tap on the switch option and switch to your page first. Once you have switched, you want to tap on these three lines at the top left corner. Now from here, select settings and privacy, then tap on settings. Once you get here, you want to scroll down a bit. Find the option of access and control. Now you have a couple of options here. If you want to permanently delete your page, go ahead and tap on the delete page option, then tap on continue. Now select the reason why, then tap on continue. Now before you delete, you want to go through all of this, then tap on continue. Now you will have to enter your password. Once you enter your password, your Facebook page will be deleted. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.